Okay, well, what was the answer? Can you tell me for the one by one?
It's
by
1.
Okay, so n, and then probability for our problem. So if n is 1, the probability was 1. Why is that?
Because you always pick a cube with a red face, and that face will always come up because all the faces are red.
Is my 4 on the screen?
I think so. Barely.
Okay.
I'll zoom out just a little.
All right. Well, what is it? Can we calculate it for 2?
It's not that hard. So the first probability, the probability of choosing a cube with a red face on it is going to be 1.
Okay.
Since you're going to have 8 cubes and they're all going to have red on them.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry, I just have to get an eraser. Okay.
And then the probability of rolling the red face is also easy because 3 faces out of 6 on all of the cubes are going to have red on them.
All right.
So this is a half.
Okay. All right. So maybe if we're going to approach it this way, let's do pick cube with red. Pick with red, and then roll red. And then total. Okay, so pick with red was 1, roll red
1/2.
was half, so the total was a half.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay. Now this might get a little harder, but let's see what we can do with 3.
So 3 just gets harder. Well, picking is not that hard. It's so 3 cubes. So there's 27 total cubes, and one of them's not going to have any red.
Okay, so tell me what the probability.
So it's 26 out of 27.
Okay, pick a red 26 out of 27.
So roll red is a bit more difficult because you have different cubes have different number of red on them. So like one in the center of a face would only have 1, but an edge would have 2, and a corner would have 3.
Okay.
So you're going to have to calculate different probabilities. You have to calculate the probability of picking an edge piece, a corner piece, or a center piece.
Okay.
And then calculate the roll. Well, we would know the roll probabilities there, and then calculate the totals and add those up.
Okay. Well, tell you what. Maybe we can just throw this out the window then. So for 1 we got 1. For 2 we got a half. For 3, all right. So you said we actually got to break it into. Well, I guess there's 4 pieces just to be fair. So center of the actual cube was 1 out of 27, and that gives you a 0.
Mm-hmm.
So
the face centers could be next.
So you have
All right, then, yeah,
you have 6 of those,
Okay.
and that gives you 1. So it's 6 out of 27, and it's a 1/6 probability.
So 6 out of 27 times.
Times 1/6, which is 1/27.
So 1/27. We get a 1/27th contribution from that. All right.
And then the edge pieces.
Okay.
So there's 12 of those.
All right.
So 12 out of 27. And then
It goes to
times
a third.
2/6, 1/3.
2/6. So that would cancel.
So that gives us 4 over 27.
4/27.
Okay, and then you do the last case?
So
please?
the corners, there are 8 corners, so 8 out of 27. And those will give you a half probability. So that also give you 4/27.
Okay.
So for this one, it's 9/27 total, which is a third.
So for 3, we get a third. All right. Do you have a guess for 4?
1/4.
Maybe 1/4.
All right. Well, I think we might have a 4x4 cube over there. So why don't we bring a cube over and then we'll do the calculation for a 4th.
Alright.